Are you looking to make money from the comfort of your home? Today, I'm excited to share with you 3 legitimate online jobs that are perfect for beginners looking to earn money from home. These jobs are simple and easy to get started with and can help you earn a decent amount of money from the comfort of your home. When it comes to finding legitimate work from home opportunities, most people face huge challenges due to overwhelming number of options. This creates frustration and anxiety, making it hard to know where to start. Fear of being scammed also holds people back from exploring online jobs. Additionally, many struggle to find roles that match their skills or experience. However, with the right approach and mindset, genuine online jobs are out there and you can start earning money from home. So let's dive into these 3 simple online jobs that are just perfect for beginners. The first online job is surveys and market research. This job involves sharing your opinions and thoughts on various products and services through online surveys. You can earn money by completing these surveys, and it's an excellent way to monetize your opinions. What's going on, guys? I'm Lorna Recommend. Welcome back to my channel where we dive into all things money. And if you're new here, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family to help your girls' channel grow. First up, we have Swagbucks. Swagbucks allows you to earn points called SB by taking surveys, watching videos and participating in other activities. You can redeem your points for gift cards or cash via PayPal. It's beginner friendly, it's easy to sign up, and you can start earning immediately without any specialized knowledge. Up next is Survey Junkie. Survey Junkie connects users with companies looking for consumer feedback. People like you and me, you earn points for completing surveys, which you cash out with PayPal cash or gift cards. It's beginner friendly, simple to use, and you get paid for surveys based on your interest and profile, making it accessible to anyone. Next up, we have Pinecone Research. So, Pinecone Research offers paid surveys, product testing opportunities. What's good about them is that each survey typically pays a flat rate and you can cash out your PayPal or received gift cards. It's beginner friendly because it focuses on high quality, easy to complete surveys, and they consistently offer payment for your feedback. These 3 platforms are great for beginners looking to make extra money online by sharing your opinions. The second job is online tutoring. If you have any experience, skill or knowledge in a particular subject, you can offer your services as an online tutor. You can use platforms like Cambly, Preply and Schoolie to connect with clients and start teaching. This job requires minimal setup and can be done from the comfort of your own home. Here are 3 online tutoring platforms where beginners can earn without needing a degree. 1. Cambly. Cambly focuses on helping non-native English-speaking practice conversational English. No teaching degree or experience is required, just strong English communication skills. It's beginner-friendly and no formal qualifications are needed, and you can work flexible hours tutoring students from around the world. Number 2 is Preply. Preply allows tutors to teach worldwide on various subjects, including languages, without needing a degree. You create a profile, you set your rates, and students can book sessions with you. It's beginner friendly and you don't need any formal qualifications, and you can teach based on your strengths. You decide the pricing and your availability. Number 3 is Schoolie. Schoolie allows tutors to teach different subjects, including languages and school level topics. While a degree is not always necessary, if you can demonstrate subject expertise, you may qualify for tutoring in certain areas. It's beginner friendly because Schoolie accepts tutors with less formal education but with strong subject knowledge, especially in language tutoring. These platforms are ideal for beginners looking to earn through tutoring without the need for formal degrees or certifications. The only technical requirements are a stable computer, fast internet, and a webcam for online tutoring sessions. Each platform focuses on different education level, but strong subject knowledge and a reliable tech setup are key to starting on all of them. The third job online is online content creation. This involves creating engaging content on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. You can monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. The key to success in this job is to create content that resonates with your audience and builds a loyal following. One of the most rewarding aspects of these jobs is the flexibility they offer. You can work from anywhere at any time and still earn a decent income. Additionally, these jobs provide an opportunity to develop new skills and build a personal brand. Many people have achieved success with these jobs, earning a full-time income and even quitting their 9-to-5 jobs. For example, some online tutors have reported earning upwards of $1,000 per month, while online content creators have built massive followings and earned tens of thousands of dollars from their content. These 3 online jobs are perfect for beginners looking to earn money from home. They're simple, easy to get started with, and offer a flexible way to earn a decent income. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave me a comment in the section below letting me know which ones you've tried and if they resonate with you. So do check out my other videos for more tips on making money online and achieving financial income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.